Well, I played football, and so I've taken a few whacks to the knee, and then I was in the Marines and law enforcement, and like I say, just the wear and tear of life, and that's kind of what it is. The first treatment went pretty well, and immediately what I saw was a reduction in the amount of soreness that I encounter in the evenings after a day at work. And what was impressive to me is that immediately following the treatment, there really wasn't any recovery time that I had to allow for. I mean, I just kept on doing my usual routine. It's like somebody right on the end of the joint itself taking and just kind of doing a thumping. And the thumping increases as they turn up the intensity till they get to the therapeutic level where the sonic sound waves are doing what they're supposed to do. It doesn't hurt. My left knee has been totally replaced. Got the arthritis and the wear and the tear and the injuries. I've done a good recovery with that, but there's a certain lifespan to those joints and those replacement parts, and I still want to be very active, and so I was looking at non-surgical alternatives, and this provides that. I was taking anywhere between 800 to 1,600 milligrams of ibuprofen to help control the pain, and since the treatments, I've stopped that.
Sonix has next-generation shockwave therapy to help with a range of chronic overuse injuries. For more information, give them a call at 512-646-1500.